morning students. Today we start geography lesson first. India, size and location. India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, industry, technology and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Location. India is a vast country, lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The main land extends between 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north latitudes and longitudinals, we say that 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minute east longitudinal longitudes. The Tropic of Cancer divide the country into two parts, equal parts. The two to the southeast, southwest of the mainland and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Bay of Bengal. You know, in the India there is a Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Size. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 square million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area. Geographical area of India is 2.4%. of the world. It is clear that India is the 7th largest country. India is 7th largest country in the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastal line of mainland is 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by the mountains in the northwest, north and northeast, south of about 22 north latitudes. It began of taper extends toward the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal in the east. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. As you know, there is a time difference. In the south, in the west, there is a Gujarat, and in the east there is a Arunachal. West, Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. In the east, it's 2 hours difference between the time. We taken our standard time from the meridian Indian IST, Indian Standard Time, from 82.5 degree east longitude. East passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as our standard meridian. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as moves from the south to north. Is it clear? And the world. Next topic is India and the world. India and the world. Indian land mass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has, and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of ocean after it. You know that India has a very important role of our coastline. India contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationship through the land routes are much older her maritime contacts. It's a very important question. What are the three main contacts? Relations with land route to India with the ancient times. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas, commodities since the ancient times. The ideas of Upanishad and Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, other merchandise were taken from the India to different countries. जैसा कि आप जानते ही हैं कि हमारे देश ने बहुत सारे विचारों और कमोडिटीज़ को, चीज़ों को जो है प्राचीन समय से ही शेयर किया गया है या हमने योगदान दिया है। जैसे कि हमारे उपनिषद थे, रामायण थे, स्टोरी और पंचतंत्र थी, या जो हमारा जो न्यूमरल सिस्टम है, जो डेसिमल सिस्टम है, ये सारा इंडिया का ही योगदान है। जैसे स्पाइसेस, मसलिन एंड अदर मार्केट लाइन्स वर टेकन फ्रॉम इंडिया, यानी कि जो चीज़ें थी हमारे यहाँ भारत से जो है अन्य कंट्रीज में जाती थी। ऑन द अदर हैंड द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ ग्रीक्स कल्चर, दूसरी तरफ जो इन्फ्लुएंस यानी कि ग्रीक्स कल्चर का जो इन्फ्लुएंस था, प्रभाव था, वो जो है हमारे architectural style of doom and mineral from West Asia can be seen in the different part of our country. हमारे देश में दूसरी तरफ जैसे ग्रीक स्कल्पचर का जो है आर्किटेक्चरल स्टाइल ऑफ डूम और मिनरल्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट एशिया से जो है हमारे देश में कई अन्य भागों में देखने को मिलता है। नाउ इंडियाज नेबर, एज यू नो द इंडिया occupies an important strategical position in South Asia. India has now 28 states and 9 territories. 9 territories. India shared its land boundaries with India share करता है land boundary with Pakistan in the west and Afghanistan, and in the north China, Nepal, Bhutan, and in the east Bangladesh, Myanmar, and in the south Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep. You see here, these are Maldives in the Arabian Sea. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. Look and note now India stands apart from the rest of Asia. That's all about this lesson. Now you have read this carefully and in homework make 20 reading based questions and do exercise in notebook. That's all. Thank you. Thank you for coming.